Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please, first things first, forgive me for this weird sounding voice I have going on. I've been a little bit under the weather, but I wanted to go ahead and do this voiceover anyway for you guys so I can put this look up that I'm so excited about. If you're interested in having this glowy fresh face look, go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, skincare is super important when you want glowy skin. And I'm going to go ahead and add in the different things that I'm putting on my face. When I edit it later, I'll put that on the screen. So it'll explain all the things that I'm putting on my face and the reasons why I use the things that I use. I am, not a young chickadee, so most of my things are for anti-aging. So if you're interested in the things that I use, I'll go ahead and add that information in here somewhere. But yeah, this is what I use on my face every day. Carmex old school. You don't need expensive lip products, to moisturize your lips. $1.99 Carmex. Now that I've done my hair, let's get this hair out of the way and apply primer as I usually do. If you don't need primer, you don't have to use it. If you moisturize your face, that's usually good enough for the makeup to stick onto your skin, but I have a problem with like texture, pores and stuff like that, so that's why I use primer. But yeah, go ahead and smooth that onto your face, and while that is setting, I'm going to go ahead and use this Bye Bye Under Eye concealer. I really like this concealer for when I want a really fresh face because it covers up everything that I don't want to be shown, and I'm smoothing it on with my finger and also a brush in the inner corner. And I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation. This color matches me really well right now, so that's why I'm using it. Now this Pixie Glow Mist, I have been told that it's like a dupe for the Tatcha spray that's out there that's like hella expensive. I like it for glowing luminous skin. It does what it says, as far as glow mist. It does leave me looking quite dewy, and I like that for this kind of look. Now I'm just brightening up my under eyes and highlighting different areas of my face with the Maybelline concealer, and going in with my Prep and Prime per usual on the nose. Now just blending that in. With the Glow Mist, it makes it really easy to blend the products. Now I know this Stay Matte powder may sound counterproductive to what I'm trying to do in this look, but when I glow, I want it to be in specific areas, so that's why I'm like using that powder to matte the areas that I want. Now I'm bronzing up the skin with this butter bronzer. I love the way this butter bronzer smells. It reminds me of the beach. Oh, it smells so good. Going in with my Hoola. Good old Hoola to contour a little bit. I don't want to contour too much, but mama got them chipmunk cheeks, so I'm trying to carve that out a little bit. Hit that jawline per usual, and contouring the nose. I just can't not contour my nose anymore. Oh my god. Yeah, my hair ends up everywhere. Yeah, that's so gross. So sorry. Blend that in with a brush and going in with Luminoso. I know it looks so nasty. Like, oh my god, girl, you showed that on camera. Yeah, I definitely need a new Luminoso, but I just keep forgetting. It's one of my favorite blushes for glowy skin. As you can see, I did one eye off camera, and we're going to go in on this other eye using Orange Soda. It's an Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow. I will say that the shadows I'm using by ABH are included in her new Soft Glam palette, including this Brow Bone Highlight Tempera, something like that. And now going in with, I want to say it's Sienna, which is also in the Soft Glam palette. These shadows that I have, the Orange Soda and Sienna, are single shadows that I have. Tempera is from one of my palettes, I want to say Modern Renaissance. Going back in with Orange Soda. And then Sienna on the lash line. So You know, you don't necessarily have to get the palettes. I have a lot of the single shadows that I really, really love. Now I'm going into the waterline with like a brown, bronzy kind of liner, but I am using black in the tight line. Stabbing my eye in there just a little bit. Oh, now going in with this. Oh, I love it so much. So pretty. This highlight by Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Abhxamrezy. She is amazing. And if this can capture her essence in any kind of way, I will rub it all over my body. Okay, not really, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, and I'm using it as an eyeshadow, as you can see there. Highlighting the inner corner with my Color Effects liquid luminizing drops, which I love as well. And going in with my usual wing liner. This one I want to say is my NYX liner. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Just a baby wing for today. I wanted the glow to be the standout. Added some lashes there off camera because you know I can't do lashes on camera because it's always a fail. And now going in on that cheekbone with that highlight curl. I went in. A little bit on the temple. Now I'm going to put a little boop right there on the tip of my nose. Oh, so pretty. And highlight the Cupid's bow just a bit to make my lips look a little bit more juicy. A little bit there on the bridge of the nose. I really want to glow for the gods, girl. Now I am going in with it more dense brush and hitting that. Oh, the heavens have parted. Look at this highlight. I couldn't stop putting it on, honestly. I mean, I could have stopped a long time ago, but you know me, extra is my middle name. So yeah, oh my gosh. I just love this highlight. Okay, let's go on to the lips. Lining it with a nude kind of liner, focusing on the ends of my lips, leaving the center open. I just feel like it makes my lips look a little bit bigger. Going over the top of that with the Abhxam gloss, I want to say in Mudslide. And over the center of the lip with, what's it called? White Russian. White Russian is what it's called. Also a Abhxam gloss. I really like these. They stay super glossy for a long time. Now let's do something with this crazy hair. I'm pretty sure I was running late for work already, but almost forgot. Go over the top of everything with that glow mist, but kind of controlling where it goes. So just the tops of the cheeks and the temples there. And yeah, that is it. You are done, girl. This is my kind of everyday glow for them gods, get you through the day kind of look. I love it. I hope you love it. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.